From your phone menu, you would look for the Gmail app and click on it. Then it will open. You are seeing compose here down. Click on that compose. You wait for it to take you to the compose section. Now in this compose section, there's a place called attach file. You can see it. You click attach, the icon and the attach file. From this place, there's three long dash bar which we click called open from. In this open from now, it has taken you to your file manager. This your file manager is where you have every storage for your phone. So you see the image and so on, depending on what you want to open. So if you know what you want to open, you can go directly to it, but if you don't know, you can take your time to search for it. Now I'm going to the internal memory, which is Infinix Hot 8 because of my phone. So it's Infinix Hot 8 that I'll click first. Now I click it and I wait for it to load. It has opened. In this place now, I have to check where it is, where what I want to get is, but I want to use DCIM, which is for all pictures, especially camera pictures and Facebook and so on. Then I click camera. In this camera section now, I click the three small icons and you see it. Then if you check at this place that I have a name, modify, type size, this is the sorting type. So formerly it was sorted by name. I can sort by modified, I can sort by type, I can sort by size. So if I want it to be easier for me based on how I want it to sort, name, if I click modify talks of how these files are arranged based on their date, but this one now is starting from the last arrangement. So looking at this icon, ascending and descending, I'll use it to either ascend or descend the arrangement that is in that modified. The ascend, which is starting from the first to the last, and descending. So but using that place, I can use it to arrange. Is it from the latest one or is it from the old one? Then you can see I want to check other ones. I want to try type. Type talks of the kind of files that are there. I have only two files, which are the videos and the images. So but you can see that in the type now, the videos have been arranged separately, the images are arranged separately. Please, if you're enjoying this video, like it, share it and comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I've also gone to the size. So size talks of the file. What are the sizes? I start from the biggest. You can see that the sizes are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. I can still arrange them from the smallest to the biggest based on that ascending and descending. So if I want to arrange it, I can use ascending and descending. Now I want to go back to my phone, to my storage. Instead of clicking that three icon which open from, I can just click on that down arrow and just click on Infinix, which is the phone type, and it will take me straight to the Infinix menu again, file storage menu. That is all the files that are in the phone storage. You can see how I'm just accessing it. I'm just doing it based on the kind of work that is available in there, what I'm looking for. So but once I get what I'm looking for, it's just straight. Now if what I'm looking for is not in internal storage, which is Infinix Hot 8, depending on your phone, I go to SD card because I have SD card in my phone. But if your phone is not using SD card, that means everything will just be in your internal storage, so you don't have to stress yourself. This icon that I just clicked now talks of the sorting also, but this is list or grid. So you can list, you can make your files to be listed. I can make your files to be in grid. So that is how that icon there is list and grid. If you have any question, you can still drop it in the comment section. I will gladly reply you. Now I click DCIM. In DCIM, I click a camera. Just as usual, I check for the files. Maybe it's still in size. I can decide to use any other sorting type. Like I'm using modified now to sort it. So that modified now, why I like modified mostly because it tells you it arranges from the last date, so from the most recent date, so you don't have to start looking up and down for it. So to hold to select multiple files, and I want to take the files that I want to attach. To select multiple files, you hold and click, and if you want to click more, you just continue clicking. Once you hold the first one and it has been selected, you start clicking the rest. Clicking the rest, then you'll be able to get as many as you want. Next, I will click the open, which is once I click open, it will now take me to the composition of my Gmail where I was before I went to the attach file. If I need to attach more files, I still click attach file again. Maybe if I selected only one, based on if the files are scattered and I selected only one, maybe one is this year and the other one is like last year or so. So if I click that attach file, I still have to go down, still in that SD card, I go to look for the other pictures where they are, or the other files. It's not only pictures, it can be documents and so on, but you just have to know where they are. You are free to ask any question in my comment section. In case you get confused along the line or I want to be clarified more, you can still ask me question in the comment section. Also remember to share this teaching, share the teaching, and also like. It's very, very important you to share it. Let others have knowledge of what you have learned. So don't just keep it yourself, spread it to others too, so that they will be able to learn. Still my file, I'm still going from one section of the file manager to the other, trying to get the exact picture. Some are in the memory card, some are in the internal memory, so I'm going from one section to another. Now I'm done. I think I've selected the pictures that I want. Okay, I still want to attach more pictures, so I say click. You can still see the process that is going on, the same process, in case you have forgotten or in case you are not clarified. So the process is being repeated, so you see it. You can see the open from section, which is, like I said, the long bar, the three long bar by the left hand side. So you can see everything there. Remember, like I said, you can answer your question at any time in the comment section. Feel free to comment and share the video to other people. It's very, very important. Now I hold the first one, select, and I click second one, then I click the open. Now I've attached more pictures. If it is video, I have to be patient because video is long. Now I'm through with the selection. I go to what am I sending to? In that to is asking who is the recipient. So if I type the first one, if you want to use more, you can use command. Then there's arrow that is by the side of that to which I've clicked. Now that opens up to CC and BC. CC means carbon copy. So do you want somebody else to receive that same copy? Do you want them to know those that the message got to? Then YBCC talks of back carbon copy. And there's some persons you don't want them to know that they received that somebody has received that email. So if you don't want other people to know that the other person received email, you can also use a BCC. So that is for the CC and this BCC. CC is carbon copy, BCC is back carbon copy. Just like when you are writing your receipt and you put something and you put your carbon copy under, so that it will be there in the next paper of the receipt. So that is just the CC for you and the BCC. So sometimes you want to hide it from certain people to know that this person did not receive, you use a BCC. Then going to the subject section, I give it a name. Depending on what you are sending, my own, I just give it pictures. You can give it any name you like, but let it be something that is relevant to what you want to send. It should be something that is relevant. Don't just send don't just type any thing. You can't be sending videos and you write in loving memory. It doesn't go that way. Now if I go to save draft, you can see the icon there. Save draft means that I don't want to send it, I just want to save it somewhere. So if I want to see things that are in the save draft, I just click drafts. In that draft, you see all the things that I've saved. I click the first one, which is pictures, because I want to send it now. I want to send it. So just wanted to show you how you can save files without losing it. Now if I click this pencil icon, which is also the compose, it will take me back as if I wanted to compose. So you can see I'm now back to the compose. Then there's an icon there called send.